I got a bad feeling about the pool because they have hole in it. Oh, I'm gonna cry. What should I do? Please support all of my videos. I get harder that, and TikTok makes me happy because my other account had so many viewers at my videos, and in YouTube it's so little than TikTok. My other account in TikTok is so many, and I create the filter called the cat.